up hill and down dale. Every county tells its tale, but in the east riding, mysticism and fairies prevail. Through every path and winding way, the past and present gently sway.
Rolling hills of this lush green county, a feast to the eyes. Nature's greatest bounty, the east riding coast, and we look upon you proudly.
The monolith that stands through time, the fairy mounds we love to climb, the land of elves and ancient souls, where myths of lords and rings took hold. Every stone and every tree holds a deeper memory.
Rolling hills of this lush green county, a feast to the eyes. Nature's greatest bounty, the east riding calls, and we look upon you proudly.
Two cars where the sea meets stone, stories carved in the winds that moan. Titty man and odd corgis cry, old stinker whispers in the night sky. The long lost villages swallowed by the sea, echoes of lives that used to be. So take my hand, don't walk alone through the walls. This land is home.
Rolling hills of this lush green county, a feast to the eyes. Nature's greatest bounty, the east riding calls, and we answer it proud.